Hello guys, today I would like to show you and introduce you new model for printer, Labo Maker printer from the Brother. It is a P-Touch D600 Labo Maker. So it is a PC connectable and it's very nice condition. I will show you how to easy print any label very fast. For just turn on, waiting for this. You have row to the left or to the right, and here is a file, so you can choose file if you have prepared something. Here you can create a label yourself. Here is auto format, some settings which you can use. Here is a label correction and collection, and here you have settings if you want to change language, time, date or something like that. So I can choose a create label, so I choose this and I accept with OK, and here I can see any any number, special number. So I can delete this or I can print this, but I would like to delete this, so you can choose this, yeah, and you delete this. And now you know what I will write. For example, subscribe us, subscribe us, yeah. And I won't print this. Just subscribe our channel, technician and test sold, and just choose this for printing, yeah, print. And you can choose how many labels do you want with this text. Maybe I have one, but you can choose 2, 3, 4, 97, 8, 99. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. But okay, I want just one. So like this, and now you just choose this print. You're waiting for printing, and you have it. Oops, here. Yeah. So very easy, very fast, and very nice. So this is Brother P-Touch D600. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe us for next video. Bye.